to more than I can. She been living in her upside world. I bet you never had me die. I bet her mama never told her why. I'm gonna try moving uptown girl. She's been living in her white bread world. As long as anyone but the kid. And I'm looking for a downtown dad. That's what I am. And when she knows what she wants from the time, and when she wakes up and makes up her mind, she'll see I'm not so tough just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. See you in her uptown world. Let's go. Uptown girl, you know I can't afford to buy her. But maybe someday when my shit comes in, she'll understand what kind of guy I've been. And I will. And when she's walking, she's looking for wine. And when she's talking, she's said she's mine. She'll say I'm not so tough just because I'm in love. Uptown girl, she's been living in a white bread world as long as anyone but the king. And now she's looking for a downtown man. But I am uptown girl, she's an uptown ojos de tigresa que te tiran a matar. Una diosa pidiente duele saber que con otro está. Mío fue su corazón. ¿Cómo fue que la dejé por otro amor? Hasta perderla nunca supe su gran valor. Yeah. Te fallé y sé que tu dolor me vas a cobrar. No es que te llegue a perder, no ven que te ves, que todo fui porque tú fuiste mía, te dejé escapar, dame otra oportunidad, que lo haría por besar tus labios. No es que te llegue a perder, con lo que te ves. Mira esta glamoury rock and roll. La quisiera abrazar, besarla otra vez, hacerla perder el control. Aunque sé que te perdí, espero que regreses junto a mí por siempre. Que no diría que te tuve y te perdí. Te fallé y sé que tu dolor me vas a cobrar. No es que te llegue a perder, con lo bien que te ves, que todo fui porque tú fuiste mía, te that I waited too long to tell you how much it matters just to be right here with you. But I couldn't think of anything better. I should have told you so. Baby, open your heart. Won't you give me a second chance? And I'll be here forever. Open your heart. Let me show you how much I care. And I will make you understand. If you open your heart to love me once again. Come on, Georgia! Woo! I try to Si algo increíble